Welcome to our channel. If you want to watch Hulu on your Fire TV device, follow these step-by-step instructions to download the app and set up your account for streaming. Step 1. Turn on your Fire TV device and ensure it's connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Step 2. From the Fire TV home screen, navigate to the Find or Search option using your remote. Step 3. Use the on-screen keyboard to type Hulu and search for the app in the Amazon App Store. Step 4. Select the official Hulu app from the search results. It should be published by Hulu, LLC. Step 5. Click on the Download or Get button to begin installing the Hulu app on your Fire TV device. Step 6. Wait for the download and installation to complete. This usually takes just a minute or two depending on your internet speed. Step 7. Once installed, select Open to launch the Hulu app for the first time. Step 8. Sign in with your existing Hulu account credentials or select Sign Up if you need to create a new account. After logging in, you can start browsing and streaming Hulu content on your Fire TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.